YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another video. And today we got some heat that I've been wanting since last year that I slept on. Severely slept on heat. It sat on the website for a couple of days. It's still on the website right now, but not this particular hat. But without further ado, we're about to get into this. Oh, y'all been on the channel for a while. Y'all already know what's next. We get into the fitted of the day. Today, I got on a Liz collection hat. Actually, one of the hardest collections out. Don't even know the name of it. I just saw it at my local Liz and picked it up. I had to. It's mandatory that I get some with a 2020 World Series patch. This is one of the hardest patches out. So I seen this, I was like, yeah, I gotta get it. That patch is super clean. Nice LA hat with a red underbrim. I love red underbrim. These are one of my favorites. I know a lot of people do like the red underbrim. I personally love it. White sweatband, white silky sweatband, may I add. Lifted batter, man. What, red Duera flag. You cannot go wrong, literally. I always get compliments on this hat. You already know. Next, we got the vibes for the day. Right now, we got that Pineapple Willie from Walmart. You gotta get them scents going, you know what I'm saying? Make the vibes flow for the video. Now let's get to it. Alright, y'all. So this hat came out last year, and I was working at Journeys, and that's when I first started getting into fitted caps. My first cap was the green with the Envy collection. I had got the Mets, and that was my first Hatclub hat. I've been buying hats from Hatclub ever since. So this particular hat came out, and I'm probably about what, three Hatclub hats in, and I see this drop, and I'm like, this is pretty plain. Like, no, I'm just gonna sleep on it. I'm just gonna sleep on it. So, excuse me, y'all. I seen like a whole bunch of people like just with their caps on. I'm like, dang, this collection kind of heat. Then I saw this one dude on TikTok with it on, and that patch was out of this world. I'm talking, that patch was crazy. So I'm going literally everywhere trying to see if I can find anything from this collection. I found some on eBay. It was $87, but I really did not want to pay $87 for this hat. Like, in my opinion, I wouldn't pay $87 for this hat. I wouldn't pay really over $60 for this hat, but it is one of my grails. But then I get the notification that they re-releasing it. So I'm like, hold on now. Are they releasing the one that I want? And they released the one that I want. So I went on their website as soon as it came out and copped it. And to my surprise, I really could have waited and then used my Hatclub points, because it sat on the website for the rest of the day until like late in the evening when it sold out. But it's a whole bunch of this collection still on Hatclub, so you can go back and cop whatever is right there. So boom. And they got something else that's on the website that dropped yesterday on April 14th, and it's the fruit pack. It's just sitting on the website right now. I just went ahead and copped the Braves, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, this is shop sitting in my Hatclub details right there about the cap. But I meant to use my points on it. I accidentally copped it. I'm still happy about it because it's a peach hat. So we gonna see it when it comes in. Plus we got the Yodi pack coming out tomorrow. So y'all already know I'm gonna try to cop that. So without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, you know what I'm saying? Not finna keep us long today, cause sadly I gotta go to work. But we about to get into this unboxing. Let's get this thing. Focus on me. There we go. Alright. Let's open this bad boy up. One of the grails. Once y'all see this patch, y'all gonna know why. And it comes with a new pin, so I'm excited to see that. It came with a chain too. I could have got the chain, but I really didn't want the chain. I wanted the hat. You already know that type of stuff comes out an hour before the drop. Sometimes you gotta make sure this is actually the size, because Hatclub be sending the wrong size out. What? See, How do y'all send the wrong package? Like, this is not even my name. I'm not gonna put it on the camera because this is somebody's address, but who is David Goanna? Like, I do not live in Texas. But let's get out the way. It better be a 7.5. That's all I can say, literally. Okay, 7.5. Take a check. Okay, 7.5. All right. And bam, here we have the Hatclub Yankees Gold Digger collection with that 75th World Series. Wait till y'all see the patch though. I'm gonna show you how to. I'm gonna keep the intensity going. I love this green brim. Really wish it was a black sweatband, but it's a nice white sweatband. My fault. Check this patch out. Bam. Come on now. That is a clean ass patch. You know, this could just be like a beater for some people, for real. All black New Era flag right here, and all black Batterman. And this hat is from China. I don't know what it is with them doing China for every hat it dropped. And it got a nice, like, silky white sweatband. Look at that. That's cold as hell. Wow. The new pen. Let me take this out the bag for y'all. Supposed to be an AC, but it's like a gold star. I like this pen a lot. Focus, there we go. Nice pen. This is what I really was excited about. I know a lot of people was too. This and the chain. It's a nice little pen, for real. And this will conclude this episode of another fitted unboxing with Dalen, the GOAT. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. So keep tuning in, keep tapping in with your boy. And with that being said, peace.